কৃষ্ণাদি কৃষ্ণাদি একটু এই দেখুন ছেড়ে দাও মশাই আছে। Good afternoon, students. First of all, how are you? Tell me. Fine, very good. Okay, so class 9 maths. Okay. Rajanna not there. Amrita, Ronit, Suhana, Somnath. Okay. Nafisa is there or not? Okay. Actually, good afternoon. So students, previous day I have discussed two theorems. Two theorems means one first of theorem, if it is a chord line, on that basis of two theorem, solve this question. Having center O, okay, OA equal to 5 centimeter, find the length of AB. Find the length of AB is given, that is 10 centimeter. Find OP. Okay, OA equal to 5 centimeter, AB equal to 8 centimeter. AB equal to 8 centimeter. Find the length OP. Find the length OP. Tell me quickly what will be the answer. Four. Nafisa, are you sure that OP equal to 4? Are you sure that OP equal to 4? Amrita also. Okay. Rajanna didn't answer yet. Rajanna have not answered yet. Sir, OP or OB? That is OP. OP. Find the answer OP. AB equal to 8 centimeter. AB equal to 8 centimeter. AB equal to OP equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, let me check. Let me check. First of all, what will be the value of OA? What will be the value of OA? Anyone can say? What will be the value of OA? Oh, two things are given. That is AB. Okay, okay. That is, oh my God, two OA are given. So OA is also 5 centimeter. OA equal to 5 centimeter. Now AB equal to 8 centimeter. Therefore AP 4 centimeter. AP 4 centimeter. OA equal to 5 centimeter. AP equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. Now, as it is 90 degree, it is bisected. As it is bisected, so it is 90 degree. So it can you can use that OA square, AB square, and OP square. OP square. So OA square 25, AP square 16, and OP square we have to find. So 25 minus 16, that is OP square, that is equal to 9 OP square. So 3 equal to OP. So measure of OP is 3 centimeter. Got it, Nafisa and Amrita? You have told that answer 4. Ronit Dotto, Somnath, are you on the call? Ronit, Somnath, Suhana, Ramit Ghosh. Okay. Okay, so next question. Ronit got it? Ronit and Somnath. Okay. Suhana? then find the okay, a circle having center O, a circle having center O, two chords AB and PQ are in equal distance. Two chords AB and PQ are in equal distance from center O, from the center O, where OM equal to 5 centimeter, OP equal to 13 centimeter. Find the length of AB. Find the length of AB. Listen carefully. A circle having center O and AB and AC. AB and AC, two chords are in equal distance. Then find the length of AB. Okay. Rajanna answer 24. Anyone else? Anyone else? Nafisa 24. I think Rajanna answer is wrong. Asraful, are you on the call? But no. Asraful, you are in the call, but you are not giving any feedback. Yes sir or no sir or any answer. Asraful, are you listening? Huh? You are playing Free Fire or any other game? Okay, any other students? That is Mayuk. Mayuk, I am not getting your feedback. Mayuk. I am not getting your feedback. Actually, Mayuk is on the call but not attention. He is not paying any attention to the class. Okay, listen. As it is 5, it will be 12. PM equal to 12. MQ also be 12. MQ also be 12. As MQ equal to 12, so total PQ length 24 centimeter. PQ 24 centimeter. PQ 24 centimeter means AB also be 24 centimeter. Why AB is 24 centimeter? Because PQ and AB both are the equal distance from the center O. That's why it has also the same length. It has also the same length, that is okay. Next, theorem number 6. Two chords AB and AC of a circle, two chords AB and AC of a circle having center O, of a circle with center O, okay, are such that O lies on the bisector of O lies on the bisector of angle BAC. Prove that prove that AB equal to AC. First of all, center O, AB and AC, two chords, AB and AC, two chords. Okay. Now it is also given that O is the bisector, because in the question it is given that O lies on the bisector of angle BAC. First of all, what is bisector? Bisector means that line segment which divides the angle into equal two parts. That is the bisector. It means if it is x, it also be x. Got it? Now we have to prove that length of AB and length of AC are equal. It means AB equal to AC. To prove that, this theorem, just join AB and AC. Then we get two triangles, AOC, AOP. First of all, tell me, OB and OC are equal or not? OB and OC are equal or not? Tell me in the chat box. Okay. Okay. OB and OC are okay. They are equal because they are radius. Okay. Next question. If this angle is x, what will be the value of this angle? If this angle is x, what will be the value of this angle? Tell me, that value is x. Yes, x, because just think about the triangle OAB. OA and OB are radius. As they are equal, so you can say, sir, OAB is an isosceles triangle. We know that base angle of isosceles triangles are equal. So that's why these triangles are equal. If it is x, it also be x. Similar reason, using similar logic, you can also say, sir, this angle is also x. Why? Because, sir, we know that OA equal to OC. Why OA equal to OC? OA and OC are the radius. OA and OC are the radius. As OA and OC are the radius, so OAC is an isosceles triangle. As isosceles triangle, this also be equal. Okay. Now, and last question to you. Last question, that can you say what about these two angles? These two angles will be equal or not? These two angles will be equal or not? Tell me quickly in the chat box. Okay. AOB and AOB and AOC, are they equal or not? Are they equal or not? And with logic, yes, if you said that it is equal, you have to answer why they are equal. Why these two angles are equal? With logic. 2x equal to 180 degree. Yes, 2x minus 1. Rajanna, little bit mistake. Not 2x minus 80 degree, 180 degree minus 2x. This angle 180 degree minus 2x. This angle 180 degree minus 2x. That's why they are equal. And another reason, in the geometry we use the term third angle. Why third angle? Why it is third angle? Because two triangles are there. Already two angles of this triangle and two angles of this angle are equal. So third angle must be equal, this angle and this angle. For an example, it is 50 degree, it is 50 degree, it is also 50 degree, okay, and it is also 50 degree. So this one, A equal to C, B equal to D, what about E and F? What about EF? We know that sum of three angles 180 degree. So just subtract it. that is 180 minus 50 plus 50, 100, that is 80 degree. That is 80 degree. And same, what will be the value of f? That is 180 minus 50 plus 50, 100. So that is also 80 degree. That's why they are equal. So it means if two triangles have two equal angles, two triangles have two equal angles, third angle must be equal. Using that logic, you can say this angle AOB and AOC are equal. In other way, the Rajanna's logic, that is 180 minus 2x, and it is also 180 minus 2x. That's why they are equal. Okay. Now coming to the proof. Take the triangle, in triangle AOB and AOC. First of all, OB equal to OC. Tell me why they are equal. OB equal to OC. Why they are equal? Tell me in the chat box. Okay. Yes, they are radius. As it is radius, that's why it is equal. Okay. Next, OA equal to OA, it is the common side. It is the common side. And angle AOB equal to angle AOC. Angle AOB equal to angle AOC, because I have proved earlier that is third angle. That is third angle. And last one. So S, using the criteria SAS, you can say triangle AOB congruent to triangle AOC by SAS by SAS, sorry, AOB and AOC, that is SAS. Now students, what will be the opposite side of this angle and this angle? Opposite side of this angle, that is AB. Opposite sides of this angle, that is AC. That is by CPCT. Okay, using CPCT we can say AB equal to AC, and just look at the board that our required proof is also AB equal to AC. Okay, so we got the proof. So AB equal to AC. Again I am explaining between two triangle AOB and AOC. First of all, OA is the common side, OB equal to OC. Why OB equal to OC? Because they are radius. Okay. Now, okay, I will check Kinjal. AB equal to AC, and these two angles are equal. So therefore, AB by CPCT you can say AB equal to AC, and that is our required proof. Okay, sir, OA is the common side. Sir, common side will be OA. Oh, sorry, that is OB written. Okay, yes, OA is the common side. OA equal to OA. OA equal to OA. Okay, that is the common side. Any problem? Rajanna? Okay, Nafisa, Ronit, Kinjal, Somnath, Asraful, any problem? Amrita also. Okay. So student, today I end this class here. Next day I will start exercise. Of circle in your NCERT book. Okay, thank you, bye.